Chengdu looks like a modern city. Clean streets, big buildings, old-style streets that look perfect. At first, everything looks planned, but when I walked here, I started to notice something else. Small things, real life, outside the perfect image. Around my hotel, the city feels different. Small food stalls in the street, people selling simple things, scooters passing all the time. Life here is busy, but normal. Nothing is made for tourists here. This is everyday life. I also visit the old-style streets of Quanzai Alley. They look historic, but many of them are newly built. Everything looks clean and perfect. It feels like old China, but rebuilt for visitors. Beautiful, but also not real history. My hair. It's a little bit touristic here, but it's the most of the places here in China. In parks, you can meet real life, the locals. Perfect. Here in the park of Chengdu, I saw something interesting. Colored papers everywhere. They show people looking for marriage partners. Age, job, height, income. Parents are helping their children find a partner. I spoke a little with a couple here. 你好，问一下，这个是男的吗？那边是一个女的。如果我喜欢找一个女人的话，那可是我也要广告，你帮我吗？我也不会，就在那个红的那个单上，你就按那个。可是我看不懂，怎么办？汉字你不会的。如果我会写英文的话，没有人看得懂。至少我不会。哦，你不会。翻译不来，有的是自己来，有的是父母来，有的是亲戚朋友给他的。I joked with them, asking if they could help me find a girlfriend while I was trying to understand how it all works. It feels like a strange tradition in a modern city, but somehow it works. In the end, everywhere in the world, people still think about family and marriage. I don't know why, but for me, this marriage matchmaking uh, arrangement, yeah, it's very formal, without love. I think it's a culture thing, which is not bad, of course, and it works very well here. It's just interesting. This is another world, a very other world. At night, Chengdu changes. The life in the park disappears. The bridge light up. People taking photos everywhere. The city looks beautiful. It feels modern and alive. Real life is not in the tourist places. It is in the small streets and in the everyday moments people usually don't see. Thanks for watching.